Anthurium is a genus of plants known for its vibrant, heart-shaped flowers and glossy foliage. They are native to tropical regions of Central and South America. Here are some key points about Anthurium. Appearance. Anthurium flowers come in various colors, including red, pink, white, and orange. The flowers consist of a spathe, the colorful heart-shaped part, and a spadix, the spike-like structure. The leaves are typically dark green and glossy. Growing conditions. Anthuriums thrive in warm, humid environments with indirect sunlight. They prefer well-draining soil and should be watered regularly, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. They can be grown indoors as houseplants or outdoors in tropical climates. Propagation. Anthuriums can be propagated through division of the root ball or by taking stem cuttings with at least one node. These cuttings can be rooted in water or directly in soil. Care. Proper care includes providing adequate humidity, avoiding overwatering, and fertilizing during the growing season. Anthuriums are sensitive to temperature fluctuations and drafts, so it's important to keep them in a stable environment. Symbolism. Anthuriums are often associated with love, passion, and hospitality, making them popular choices for gifts and decorations. Varieties. There are numerous species and hybrids of Anthuriums available, with varying flower colors, sizes, and leaf shapes. Some popular varieties include Anthurium andrianum, flamingo flower, Anthurium scherzerianum, pigtail anthurium, and Anthurium crystallinum, crystal anthurium. Pests and diseases. Anthuriums are susceptible to pests such as aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites, as well as fungal diseases like root rot and leaf spot. Proper ventilation and hygiene can help prevent these issues. Overall, Anthuriums are prized for their stunning flowers and lush foliage, making them a favorite among plant enthusiasts and collectors.